to give the founder president oration. To do the oration, along with we have our chief advisor, Dr. John Tanakumar, and I'm sure Dr. Venkatesh, our chief trustee, also will join and do the honors. And to start with, I request Dr. John Tanakumar to read the citation for Professor Tehilton Udwadia to go for the oration by the founder president. Over to you, John.
Mr. President, our esteemed EC members, guests from corroborating associations, faculty delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor to introduce Professor Dr. Themchand Udwadia sir, who is going to deliver the Founder President oration during IAGS 2021 18th Annual National Conference on this day, 9th May 2021. Professor Themchand Udwadia is an alumnus of Seth GS Medical College, Mumbai, graduating from the University of Bombay in 1956. Following his post-graduation from the university and Royal Colleges of Surgeons of Edinburgh and England, he joined the surgical staff of Grant Medical College and JJ Hospital, Mumbai in 1963. He retired as Honorary Professor of Surgery in 1993 and is now Emeritus Professor of Surgery, Grant Medical College and JJ Hospital, Mumbai. He was consultant in surgery to the Armed Forces and Chairman of Indian Chapter, Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh. He has been elected President of several national and international surgical societies such as IAGES, the Founder President, Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy of India, the Association of Surgeons of India, International College of Surgeons World Body, Society of Endoscopic and Laparoscopic Surgeons of Asia, and President of the International Federation of Societies of Endoscopic Surgeons. Further, he has been honored with the Padma Shri National Award from the President of India in 2006 and Padma Bhushan National Award from the President of India in 2017. He also has been honored with Order of the British Empire by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and the distinction of Honorary Fellowship by the American College of Surgeons. The Albert Einstein Foundation celebrated the centenary of Einstein's theory of relativity by nominating 100 visionaries of the world of the present times. Professor Udwadia's name was in the list of those 100 world visionaries. His efforts were nationally recognized by various awards that have been bestowed on him. Just to name a few, Dr. B.C. Roy National Award for promoting the specialty of laparoscopic surgery in India from the President of India. Hunterian Professorship of the Royal College of Surgeons of England. Pandalya Oration of the Association of Surgeons of India. Sir James Ross Lecture of the Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh. And Dr. Karl Stowe's Award of the Society of American Gastrointestinal Endoscopic Surgeons, and the Lifetime Achievement Award of SAGES, and a gold medal and citation from Dr. Abdul Kalam, the President of India. A forceful, innovative and renowned teacher and surgeon, he was the first surgeon in India to start laparoscopy in 1972 and the first to perform laparoscopic surgery in the developing world in 1990. With the missionary zeal, Professor Udwadia has conducted workshops all over India in surrounding countries like Nepal, Mexico, Brazil, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh and other developing countries, spreading the gospel of laparoscopic and minimal access surgery. He has put all his efforts into zeal, into realizing his belief that the benefits of surgical advance should be made available to all the people in all the places, irrespective of their socio-economic status. He has had numerous research papers. Over the last 8 years, Professor Udvadia, as the chairman of Center of Excellence for Minimal Access Surgery Training, CMAST, has laid the foundation of a state-of-the-art minimal access surgical training center comparable to the best in the world, giving training to surgeons from all over the subcontinent in every surgical specialty in minimal access surgery. Till date, 8,000 surgeons have been trained in MAS at the center. Along with over 30 professional affiliations, he has been conferred with the honorary fellowship of the American College of Surgeons, Japan section of the International College of Surgeons, Indian Association of Gynecological Endoscopy, College of Surgeons of Brazil, Surgical Society of Nepal, the International College of Surgeons, German Society of Visceral Surgery, the Association of Rural Surgeons of India, ELSA, APHS, and he has been admitted to the APHS Hall of Fame. Past chairman, editor of Indian Journal of Surgery and the editorial board of several national and international journals, Professor Tempton Udvadia is the author of 2 landmark books in laparoscopic surgery, laparoscopic cholecystectomy as early as 1991, and laparoscopic surgery in the developing world 1993, and he is been a contributing author to 36 books on surgery. He was the founder editor-in-chief of JAMA and is now the emeritus editor-in-chief of the journal. He is an avid golfer and also a good pianist. Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, I now have the great pleasure and privilege to present before you Professor Dr. Tempton Udvadia, sir, to deliver the Founder President Oration on surgical care for the poor. Thank you.
Doing the honor for our Founder President giving a talk on the surgical care for the poor. Over to our Founder President to do the oration and honors.
Sir, you will have